National People's Party mentakasngi khan riu tarik rempang kala Pynbna yaga Kyrtong jongki Kyrtong MDC kiban aireng haki election kaban Shillong Shen Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council Shen mentau snem. Yaga ni kathup Kyrtong la Pynbna the working president ke NPP bapet yaga rilum garo Marcus and Marak.
I would like to welcome print media and also the electronic media to this press conference. This is specially regarding the Ghadc elections to be held early part of this year. From the NPP party, today the state committee has approved the first list of candidates that have been sent from the regional committee, which has been thoroughly examined based on the winnability, loyalty, integrity, and past political experiences. And from different sources we have taken the report, and based on that the regional committee has decided and recommended to the state committee. And today the state committee under the leadership of Sir Preston Song, who is also the state president of NPP Meghalaya State Unit, has approved the list of candidates sent by the regional committee. So therefore, I will name out the name of the candidates against their constituency number. So I'll name out from number one, that is accordingly, they are number one. Number one, CJU constituency. After thorough discussions and different rounds of meetings, we have come to the conclusion to consider the candidature of Sri Khalis G. Moman. To Ghadc, same for this constituency also, we have decided to fill Sri Jevil S. Marak as NPP candidate. Fifth, Gaswapara, Sri Sengcham N. Sangma. 6. Baringapara, Sri Kapilson A. Sangma. 7. Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma. 8. Amongpara, Sri Balsrang Areng. 9. Tura, Sri Charming Star N. Sangma. 10. Dengnakpara, Sri Kreditson C.H. Marak. 12. Nogorpara, Sri Lainekar K. Sangma. 13. Jigjak, Sri Sanjay A. Sangma. 14. Beta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch. 15. Rochonpara, Sri Arbinston B. Marak. 16. Asanang, Sri Anseng A. Sangma. 17. Balachanda, Sri Andres C.H. Marak. 18. Batabari, Sri Maxwell M. Sangma. 19. Shyamnagar, Sri Peter Job A. Sangma. 22. Jenjal, Sri Grahambel A. Sangma. 23. Rongrong, Sri Sunny Rogers G. Moman. 24. Bolsong, Sri Pongseng R. Marak. 25. Damas, Sri Doli K. Sangma. 26. Kharputa, Sri Modi M. Sangma. 27. Samandagri, Sri Nihim D. Shira. 28. Darugri, Sri Henen R. Sangma. 29. William Nagar, Sri Singhbat R. Marak. So these are the candidates in the first list. 24 number of candidate has been finalized. Rest only 5 constituencies are left, which will be decided very soon and will be declared accordingly. So these are the ones.